Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your 401k plan with Vanguard, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your 401k plan with Vanguard, start by visiting the Vanguard website. Log into your account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, click on Open an account and follow the instructions to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Retirement tab on the home page. Select 401k plans from the drop-down menu. Click on Manage your plan to access your account details. Look for the option labeled Change Contributions or Adjust Investments. Review your current contribution levels. Enter the new percentage or dollar amount you wish to contribute. Next, you may want to adjust your investment allocations. Locate the Investment Options section. Choose the funds or investment options that align with your goals. If you want to diversify, consider selecting a mix of asset classes. After making your selections, review your changes for accuracy. Once everything looks correct, click on Submit to finalize your adjustments. A confirmation screen will appear, verifying your changes. Take note of any confirmation numbers for your records. Congratulations, you have successfully reset your 401k plan with Vanguard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.